Lesson 7.3 is squaring binomials again, but this time we'll have multiple variables. So you'll see x's and y's. Number 1, we see that this is being squared. So again, I'll write this out twice so that you can see what's happening while I do the shortcut. Okay, so I told you first thing I do is I square the first term. So if I were to have 2x squared, 2 squared would be 4, and x squared squared would be x to the 4th. Then I multiply these two terms inside together, so that'd be a 2x squared y to the 4th. I double it. Doubling it does not change the exponents. It just doubles the coefficient. So that would be plus 4x squared y to the 4th. And then I square the last term. So remember, our power rule tells us to multiply the powers. So that'd be y to the 8th. And then on here, see how we have 2x squared times 2x squared. That's where the 4x to the 4th came from. 2x squared y to the 4th. We'll have that exact same thing again. That's why I always tell you to double it. And y to the 4th times y to the 4th is picturing out 4 y's, and 4 more y's makes 8 y's getting multiplied together. So they match. All right, number 2. Let's try just a shortcut. 3x to the 4th squared. 3 squared is 9. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, and then I multiply. I'm going to get a negative 3. I'll write it down. X to the 4th, y to the 5th, and I'm going to have to double that. So I'll have another one exactly like that. And then I've got a negative squared. So negative 1 times negative 1 is now positive 1, and 5 times 2 is 10. So final answer, I have negative 9x to the 8th minus 6x squared y to the 5th plus y to the 10th. But again, if you need to write it out twice so you can see it better, there's no problem with that. Okay, and that's it.